So welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add shadows in Canva. So what are we going to focus on today? We're going to focus on how to add shadows for text, how to add shadows for images, and also how to add shadows for graphics or elements that you want to use in Canva. So let's start with the text. Now if you have a text on your Canva design and you want to add any kind of shadow, all you have to do is just ensure that you click on the text. Let's use the word color. And once you click on that, you'll have the menus or the options available to you at the top. Now I'm going to click off for a moment. You realize that the menus change at the top. Now when I click on the text, it gives me a bit more option. Now from here, you want to click on effects, and here you have the styles. And here you can immediately see that one of those options here is called shadows. So if you click on that, you see that you have shadows, and immediately you have the shadows there. Now here you can go ahead and you can change the preset, the direction, the blur, the transparency, and so much more. You can play around with these. Now I'm going to keep it basic. So all I'm going to do here, just simply change the color, and I'm going to put this to, for example, black, and immediately you can see that it turns to black. You can change this to whatever you want. You see I choose yellow there, but let's just choose this black. And as I said before, you can choose the transparency. If you want to make it real transparent or you want to make it bright, you can go ahead and do that. So I'm going to leave it to about this, and you can do whatever you want. So the blur, you can really choose if you want to make it blur. So the blur kind of make it a little bit, let's say, smooth. If you make it less, then it becomes sharp and look like just a stiff shadow behind it. So depending on how you want it, right? So if you want to make it blur, you can do something like that. No, I'm gonna leave it like that. But guys, for text, it is very easy. You can also play around with the direction, how you want the blur to move. As you can see, I'm just moving it from the left to the right, and it basically changed the direction of that blur, right? So depending on how you want. Offset is the same. You choose how you want it. So you can make it like this or like that. It's really up to you. So I'm going to make it like that, and let's move the direction to maybe like that. But for text, it is as easy as that. No, when it comes to images, the concept is pretty much the same. You want to click on the image, and then you want to go ahead and you want to click on edit. Now here you click on edit, and it gives you more option. Here you can go ahead and click shadows from under the effects section. And here you have a bunch of different options you can choose from. You can choose glow. If you click on that, you have glow, and you can go ahead and change the size. You can go ahead and you can change the intensity, and you can also go ahead and change the blur amount if you want to, and you can change the color, right? So let's say I want to make that white. I can go ahead and I can do that, right? So let's go ahead and do something like that. But I like the black for now. Now you have other options. As I mentioned, you have the drop shadow, which you can see, and you can play around with the distance if you want, and all of these different things, right? The handle and so much more, right? So depending on what you want to do with the specific style of the shadow, then it's really up to you. So you have drop, you have the outline as well, you have the curved, you also have page lift, and you have angles, and yeah, backdrop. It's really up to you. So based on what you choose, you will have those different options available to you. And the concept, you can change the colors and so much more. The colors, you have to just go ahead and choose like that, or you can select from here, and it gives you that different kind of shadow colors, and yeah, you can just basically make it the way you want, right? So it is as easy as that, guys. Now in terms of shadows for elements, the concept is also the same. So I'm going to click on elements on the left hand side, and here let's say I want to choose video, right? As an example, I type in video, and I will find some video graphics here, and let's use, for example, this one. Yeah, let's say I want to use this, and I want to drop it right here. Now I'm going to simply make it a bit more smaller. And yeah, to do the effects is pretty much the same, guys. To do the shadow is pretty easy. You click on it, you click on edit, and you'll have the option that says shadow. You click on that, and you can choose the shadow as you want. Now in this case, I'm going to use something like the angled one, and I'm going to make the amount, let's say the intensity like that, and change. You can change it like this, you can make it like that. It's really up to you, and you can change the color. I'm going to make that color maybe like white or something like that. And basically that's it, guys. It's very easy to do, and I really hope that you found some value here within this video. But play around with it, guys, and make something very unique of your own. But in a nutshell, that's basically it. If you're looking for how to add shadows in Canva, these are the ways. You can do it through the edit, or you can do it through the effects. Depending on what you choose, you'll have the option available to you, and you can do that. Very easy and very simple. If you found some value within this video, guys, give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if you have any question. Hit that subscribe button if you're new, and of course, see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.